also want to emphasize that ours can humanize engineering. As technology develops so rapidly, many modern buildings with alloy steel and plain clay have been built, alienating humans away from the nature in an invisible way. Fortunately, the American architect and civil engineer Frank Lloyd Wright introduced a new concept, the organic style, to the realm of civil engineering. The term organic style was coined to demonstrate Wright's original perspective that architects and civil engineers should develop a harmony, creating a unified, interrelated composition between human habitation and the nature. Although Frank Wright left school without getting a degree, he took part-time classes for 2 semesters and was educated as a civil engineer. He designed more than 1,000 structures and completed 500 works throughout his life. Wright believed the buildings should not separate human beings from the nature, but should build some sort of bridge between them. This philosophy is best exemplified by his design of Falling Water, which has been called the best all-time work of American architecture and marked his maturity in organic style. Falling Water is a private residence designed for a couple named Hoffman. Rather than being straddled aside from the waterfall, it was built partly over it. Thus, the house blends perfectly into the environment. The construction consists of a series of cantilevered balconies and terraces, using limestone for all verticals and concrete for all the horizontals. The stone serves to separate reinforced concrete trees, forming living and bedroom levels, dramatically cantilevered over the stream. For the paint colors, White pursued a unified and organic composition instead of unnatural and artificial colors. Only 2 colors were used throughout the whole work. Light ochre for the concrete and Cherokee red for the steel. To make sure that the whole construction follows the most natural path, a painting company has worked with Falling Water to develop eco-friendly paints that withstand the environmental challenges of the site. This Falling Water building is hailed as Wright's most beautiful job. It is the most famous work that has ever brought humanity so significantly into engineering and construction. It also inspires engineers today, since engineering projects without any concern of human elements will never stand out and stay immortal.